Welcome to another Bev and Ryan travel video. Today, we're taking you on a full tour of Fontainebleau Las Vegas. After 16 years of delays, this $3.7 billion mega resort finally opened its doors in December of 2023, and we're here to show you everything this luxury property has to offer. From the stylish rooms and expansive rooftop pool deck to the incredible lineup of restaurants, bars, and nightlife, Fontainebleau is quickly becoming one of the most exciting destinations on the Strip. From the moment you arrive, this resort makes a statement with a grand cinematic entrance that sets the stage for everything to come. Valet parking rates vary between weekdays, weekends, and special events, while self-parking is complimentary for hotel guests. Step inside and you're greeted by a lobby that feels like modern art, designed to impress. It's a dazzling mix of polished marble, brushed gold accents, and mirrored surfaces that stretch the space skyward. Check-in was quick, and the staff were an absolute pleasure to interact with, friendly, efficient, and welcoming from the start. Before heading to our room, we explored the hotel for a bit, and it didn't take long to be impressed. The casino spans 150,000 square feet, bright, open, and sophisticated. Look up and you'll see an 80-foot chandelier made of over 1,200 hand-blown glass columns, a dramatic tribute to the resort's iconic bow tie design. Throughout the property, curated art pieces elevate the space. Oceans is a kinetic installation with spinning aluminum bricks that respond to real-time ocean tide data, creating a hypnotic wave effect. And Lovers Number 3 is a towering 46-foot sculpture of two intertwined figures, symbolizing connection and intimacy. Retail therapy is built right in, with over 30 high-end boutiques, including the largest Saint Laurent in the US. This feels more like an upscale gallery than a traditional shopping mall. Luxury brands are seamlessly woven into the resort's sleek, modern design. Fontainebleau offers over 3,600 rooms and suites, so let's head up to the 18th floor and show you what our accommodation has in store. Let's look at room 1859 here at the Fontainebleau in Las Vegas. This is a blue 2-queen room. Right by the door, you'll find the controls for all the lights, the drapes, and if you need service or privacy in your room. So first, let's take a look at the bathroom. It's a very spacious bathroom with this walk-in shower. And these are the products they have here. So they have the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. There's the toilet, and here's a large single sink that has 2 faucets. So I haven't seen that before, so that's interesting. And this very large mirror with lighting around it. And here is the vanity mirror control for its lighting. So you can turn the brightness all the way up. You can see it's super bright, or turn it all the way down until you turn it off. So that's pretty cool. And they provide you with lotion. And there's a soap over there. There's a hairdryer below and the towels. And check out this blue orb looking thing. That's pretty neat. Never seen that before either. And this is a very deep, spacious bathtub. You can fit 2 people in here. Let's check out the bedroom. There's a large full body mirror with these things right here where you can hang some clothes or your backpack. And you can have an adjoining room here if you have more people in your party. Here's the 2 queen beds. Let's see if they have charging plugs over here. So they have USB-C, USB-A, and your regular outlets on both sides. So you have plenty of charging outlets here for your devices. And this is the control for your lights and the drapes and shears. There's nothing in this drawer. Let's check out the closet. So they have a bathrobe over there. I think there's another bathrobe in the bathroom. We have a couple of slippers, a luggage rack, and a safe. There's something up here. This is a clothes steamer. So they don't have an iron, but they have a steamer. And over here, they have a bunch of snacks for purchase. And the fridge below also has a bunch of liquor and drinks for purchase. And what I like about this room is they give you this cooler so you can store your drinks in here to keep them nice and cold. Let's see what's inside this top drawer. Just some glasses and a wine opener. There's an ice bucket and a couple more glasses. And they have a bunch of storage jars. So I really like these jars because they're soft close. So you just put them right there and then they close softly. That's pretty luxurious. And over here, we have a small dining table for two with two chairs. And let's check out our view. We have a view of this building across the street. I'm not sure if that's, well, I think that's part of the Fontainebleau. And we have a view of the pool below. There's a lot of people down there on this Saturday afternoon. So overall, it's a pretty luxurious room here at the Fontainebleau in Las Vegas. Fontainebleau Las Vegas is a culinary destination in itself, with 36 restaurants, bars, and lounges offering everything from Michelin-level fine dining to casual comfort food, vibrant cocktails, and high-energy nightlife. Let's take a full tour of the flavors waiting inside. Q delivers bold, wood-fired Asian fusion to the Strip with smoky open-fire cooking, vibrant shareable plates, and a stylish setting perfect for groups or date night. Don's Prime is a glamorous, old-school steakhouse with a modern edge, featuring premium cuts, classic cocktails, and vintage Vegas charm in a rich setting of wood, leather, and elegance. Mother Wolf is a Roman-inspired Italian restaurant featuring handcrafted pastas, wood-fired pizzas, and bold flavors in a grand cinematic space that blends old-world elegance with modern Las Vegas flair. We had dinner here on a busy Saturday night, and despite the crowd, we're seated after just a 10-minute wait. We highly recommend dining here. The food was excellent. Bev's pasta was perfectly cooked, and my Pacific halibut was tender, full of flavor, and beautifully prepared. Chyna Club delivers elevated Cantonese cuisine in a striking, high glamour space, serving up dim sum, seafood, and bold flavors in an atmosphere that fuses modern luxury with classic culinary tradition. La Fontaine is an elegant champagne and cocktail bar with vintage charm, gold accents, plush velvet seating, and a curated menu of rare spirits, sparkling wines, and expertly crafted signature cocktails. At Poppy Steak, classic steakhouse meets flashy nightlife with over-the-top presentations and a Miami-inspired dining scene. Cantina Contra Mar offers vibrant coastal Mexican cuisine, fresh seafood, bold flavors, and a lively atmosphere inspired by Mexico City's iconic Contra Mar restaurant. Washing Potato features a stage-like dining floor and dramatic block box lighting, setting the scene for a culinary journey through the delicate, intricate traditions of handcrafted dim sum. Vita is a stylish all-day cafe serving everything from breakfast favorites to late-night comfort food, and the best part, it's open 24 hours a day. We stopped by for breakfast on a Sunday morning and tried the smoked salmon bagel, biscuits and gravy, Philly cheesesteak, and a coffee protein smoothie. Everything was solid, but honestly, I'd skip the smoothie next time. Chez Bonbon is a chic French-inspired patisserie offering handcrafted pastries, gourmet chocolates, artisan coffee, and house-made gelato. We stopped by for breakfast on a Monday morning. The food was fine overall, and my go-to here would definitely be the avocado toast. Stop by Cafe Kudo for quick, high-quality grab-and-go options, offering everything from gourmet sandwiches to snacks and drinks. Perfect when you're on the move. Make sure to check out the Promenade Food Hall on Level 2. It's a stylish Art Deco-inspired space offering a diverse lineup of quick, elevated dining options. From Capone's Burgers and Miami Slice to El Bagel, Roadside Taco, and fresh sushi at Bar Ito, served in a sleek magnetic box. There's no shortage of flavor. You can even sip a classic cocktail at Apres, the casually stylish bar tucked inside this vibrant food hall. Let's check out the stunning bars the resort has to offer. Set beneath the resort's signature crystal bow tie chandelier, Bleau Bar serves up timeless cocktails in true Vegas fashion. Open 24/7, it's a vibrant spot to sip, socialize, and start your evening. Collins was named one of Esquire's best bars in America for 2024. Known for its classic cocktails and sophisticated vibe, this intimate lobby bar delivers a warm, welcoming atmosphere that's perfect for a refined drink before dinner or a nightcap in style. Azul is an upscale tequila and mezcal lounge offering premium agave spirits, handcrafted cocktails, and a moody, modern atmosphere inspired by the rich culture of Mexico. Hidden and exclusive, Nowhere is a secretive lounge featuring plush velvet seating, moody lighting, crafted cocktails, and the unmistakable allure of a modern Las Vegas speakeasy. Solo Lounge is a sleek minimalist space designed for solo travelers and casual sippers, modern, intimate, and effortlessly cool with a laid-back, upscale vibe and curated cocktails. The Tavern is a modern take on the classic sports bar, blending upscale pub dining with a high-end sportsbook experience. With elevated game day fare, massive screens, and a lively atmosphere, it's the perfect spot to catch all the action in style. We booked our stay through the American Express Fine Hotels and Resorts program, which included an exclusive invitation to the Poodle Room, Fontainebleau's ultra-luxurious members-only lounge on the 67th floor. This glamorous space offers stunning skyline views, curated cocktails, and plush poodle-themed decor, plus direct access to Ito, a 12-seat omakase restaurant with breathtaking views of the Red Rock Mountains. No photos were allowed inside, but the strip views were incredible. Without a doubt, the Oasis Pool Deck on the 3rd floor is Fontainebleau's standout feature. 6 acres of sun-soaked luxury with 7 pools, 4 bars, and even a poolside cinema. It's easily one of the most impressive rooftops in all of Las Vegas. Just a heads up, lounge chairs fill up fast. When we walked around at 9 a.m., most of the shaded areas were already taken. If you want guaranteed comfy seating, there are plenty of cabanas available for reservation throughout the deck. Let's take a look at the poolside dining and refreshment options. Right at the center of the action, Blue Isle is a glamorous pavilion bar serving frozen cocktails, pitchers, and light bites, all in a lively social atmosphere. La Côte brings French Mediterranean dining to the pool deck, elegant, fresh, and made for rosé by the pool. Tucked into a stylish corner, FB Slims delivers a more intimate vibe, with craft cocktails and small bites in a sleek, retro-inspired lounge. For a tropical escape, head to Gigi's. With colorful textiles, tiki-inspired drinks, and laid-back seats, it feels like a mini day club oasis. Sun Club is a lively poolside bar and lounge offering refreshing cocktails, upbeat music, and vibrant social energy. With cabanas, daybeds, and tropical vibes, it's the perfect spot to sip on a drink, soak up the sun, and unwind in style. La Mer offers a tranquil setting, perfect for sipping spritzes and blended cocktails beneath swaying palms. It was closed during our stay, so we only captured shots from our window. There's also a boutique aquamarine, perfect for stylish, last-minute poolside essentials. And if you're feeling lucky, swing by the gaming pavilion, featuring a variety of table games in a relaxed, open-air setting, so you can enjoy the thrill of Vegas gaming without leaving the sun and water. If you're here to party, Live Beach is the place to be. With 35,000 square feet of day club space, a central DJ booth, and festival-style energy, this is the place where the strip comes alive after the sun sets. Live Nightclub sits right next to Live Beach, but we didn't get a chance to check it out this time. Get pampered at the luxurious Lapis Spa, which spans 55,000 square feet and includes 44 treatment rooms, hydrotherapy lounges, and a full thermal circuit. I love it when hotels have a gym, and I was genuinely impressed with the fitness center here. Spanning around 14,000 square feet, it features state-of-the-art cardio machines, dedicated strength zones, turf for sled pushes, Peloton bikes, Jacob's ladder, and modern recovery tools like compression sleeves and infrared therapy. Plus, you'll find daily classes, personal training, and panoramic views of the strip to keep you inspired. Just outside the gym, NutriDrip IV Lounge offers personalized hydration and vitamin therapy in a calming, spa-like space. Live entertainment takes center stage at the 3,800-seat Blue Light Theater, an impressive venue designed for concerts, comedy shows, and headline events in true Vegas style. Sports fans won't want to miss the Hall of Excellence, a curated museum by Tom Brady and Jim Gray, showcasing iconic moments and memorabilia from across athletic history. Fontainebleau boasts over 550,000 square feet of versatile event space, including 57 meeting rooms, 4 grand ballrooms, and unique venues like the Water Blue Terrace and Moonstone Event Center. Fontainebleau Las Vegas truly impressed us on every level. From the spectacular Oasis Pool Deck to the diverse lineup of incredible dining options, this resort delivers both style and substance. But what stood out the most was the exceptional service, some of the best we've experienced at any hotel in Las Vegas. Every team member made us feel welcomed and well taken care of. We highly recommend this hotel, and we're already looking forward to our next stay. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Fontainebleau Las Vegas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an adventure. Planning your own Vegas trip? Let us know your favorite part of Fontainebleau in the comments below.